Hey everyone, today we are learning about Python built-in math library. It is a most powerful library to doing a mathematical operation. It provides built-in functions within a library. We can easily apply and do our mathematical works with Python. So let's do. First, we need to import the math library. Doing just import math. Now we are able to get all the function available in the math in our program. So first we talk about the basic arithmetic function. Uh, by the way, I am referring official documentation of this method, so you can also check its link will be description. So yeah, now let's go. Now we need to do some arithmetic function operations. For that, if I need to round a value, so just I can do math dot c EIL and I need to the round up value of 4.1. Round up means greater, this is a float value. I need a integer value is greater than this 4.1. This must be a 5. Similarly, we can get a round down value using a math dot fl float function. With this, if I write a 4.9, so I it must be given a 4 F L W R it's R not T. Now it's giving me the answer 4. Now I need a absolute value. So for that math dot F ABS and I need the absolute value of minus 10. So it's give me 10. It's simple. So now if I need a factorial, so just math dot FACT factorial we need to write, and I need a factorial of 5, that is 125. Here 125 we able to get it. If I need a GDC greatest common divisor, that if also I can find math dot GCD. I need to find 2, 12 and 18. It's 6. Similar way I can find the LCM also of the same value 12 and 18. That may be a 36. Yeah, that's 36. Now let's explore the how I can find the power and roots with max library function. So for that, to get a power we can use a POW, and here I need a 2 power 3, that here I can able to get 2 power 3, that is 8, and I need a square root made dot sqrt. Just we need to write, wait a minute, sqrt. Yeah, we can get the square root. I need to find to the 25. Its answer will be 5, but it is in a float form. I need in an integer form. For that, there is another function math dot I refers to integer and sqrt. Then again I can find the 25, which give me the answer 5 in integer form. Now let's see some trigonometry functions. First we see how we can get, if I need the angle NGLE, that assign a variable, I assign with the value max dot radian, it's of 30. Basically the convert 30 degree to radian form. And now I can able to get all the mathematical results if I need to find the sine of angle. So what is that value? We get it NGLE. So we get the value of sine. Here we get the value of sine. Similarly, we can value of all the trigonometry, the sine, cos, tan. Yeah, yeah, fine. If I find one tan, that is a function, also will be a tan. And I find angle, it's good error because here it's there. This we can easily find. There is a math dot degree. We need a degree of math dot pi. That is 3.15 value. It's convert radian to degree. It must be a 180 degree. Yeah, it's right. Yeah, that's for trigonometric function. We can able to similarly we can do sine, cos, tan, cosec, and also we can do inverse trigonometric function. We can also do sine inverse, cos inverse, in similarly way. Now let's explore how we can solve a log and exponential uh, questions with this. We need the exponential of 2 if we. So just we need a math dot exp of 2. It's give the e square and it is 7 and we know the e has create something value. We can see further. It's available in the max library. Now we see the how to find log. Math dot log 10. Natural log we find that is 2.30. That is correct. Now we need to find the base 10. Log the math dot log. We need to find base 10 of 100. Yeah, that is 2. Similarly, base 2 we also can find. Yes, we find that. Base 2. And I need to find the base 2 of 8. It is easy to get for us. That is 3. That's is so that is things we can do with a log function. Now let's see the another advanced things or another mathematical advanced operation that is math dot mod f. We find of 0, it's 4.75. Basically it's that we are be looking at 3 operation that are used in when working with binary numbers. That helps to solve that question. We have to 4.75 is give me the answer as 2, the 0.75 and 4 is divided into the decimal form and that is a integer form. That is the same as that is math dot frexp. Yeah, that is, and we find of 8. It's a basically do a find the mantissa and exponent of that number that will be used. And another one that is a math dot IDEXT LD, sorry. No, it's I. Yeah, that is IDEXT, and here if I write a true number that is 0.5 and 3, it's basically doing it's multiply that this number to the exponential of this number to power 6 means it's 6. 3 की power to 6, 6 into 0.5, that is 4. That is doing that thing. There is a high, we can also find the hyperbola. So just we need to do, we doing the same thing. We need a math dot sine of h equal to hyperbola. We can find the hyperbolic sign, that is we need to find the one. We got it. We also similar to find the hyperbolic cosine, tangent, in inverse hyperbola. In a similar way, we just need a cos h of finding one. Here we can able to get the method cos h. Similarly, we can find a method dot tan h of 1. We can able to get a tangent and inverse hyperbolic sign if we need. So we can similarly we can do math dot a sine h, and here we do one. It's give me the inverse sign. We doing with same as a cos h, a tan h for getting the inverse value. Now we get some constant value that are available in this library. That's to be see the above, that is math dot pi, that is 3.14 and so on, and another is math dot e that we also used above. It's a 2.718, that things equal number, and there is another is not a number, math dot now and not a number, watch it, not a number, it's a none, not a number. Another is infinity math dot inf. In some calculation we need to add the infinity, so for that it's used. Answer will be infinity, that is a constant, so it's a value for that. Now Python also can able to check if number is finite or not. Let's check it. This is some advanced part or interesting part. Just do math dot is finite is 10. It must be true, but what if we do here add math dot infinite, that value, and if we run, is given the false because it is a infinite value, not a finite value. Another is not a number, we can also check is not a number. So for that just we do a math dot is n. If user before starting with is means it will be answered with true or false. In every function or in every programming language, it's give me a true. We also add a can find the permutation combination with a math library. We just do a math dot PER and permutation, we need to find 5p2. Call that 5 and 2. It's basically doing a 5p2. That answer will be 20. It's right. In same way, we can find the combination COMB of 5 comma 2, and it's doing the same things 5c2. Here let's see, and it must be give a 10. Now it's giving the answer 10. It's right. We have see the complete overview how you can use a math function, and I'm showing some important functions that we used, like logarithmic calculation, trigonometry, and even a permutation combination. So if you found it's useful, so give the video a like and subscribe for more Python videos. So yeah, thanks for watching.